Hello, this video will present and demonstrate Defexts, a curated database of reproducible real-world bugs for modern JVM languages. More specifically, Defexts is a collection of bug datasets where each child dataset focuses on a specific language. Currently, Defexts has two child datasets, Defexts Kotlin and Defexts Groovy. In this initial version of Defexts Kotlin has 225 bugs from 152 distinct GitHub projects, and Defexts Groovy has 302 bugs from 171 distinct GitHub projects. Now, let's give an actual demonstration of Defexts in use. First, visit the following repository and download the appropriate install file and Defexts interface file as mentioned in the repository README. Once the appropriate install file has been downloaded to your local machine, execute this script as shown in this video and Defexts will be downloaded to your local machine. The install script will download both Defexts Kotlin and Defexts Groovy, but for the rest of this video, we will be interacting only with Defexts Kotlin. Once the install file has finished downloading the various Defexts child datasets, download the Defexts interface file, which is a Python script. This Python script allows you, the user, to fully interact with Defexts. This interface is dependent on Python, but it is compatible with both Python 2 and Python 3. By invoking the interface with the Python command, you can see a list of potential options you can perform within Defexts. You can view a more detailed list and descriptions of these options by using the -h command. This interface allows you to perform three actions with the Defexts dataset. 1. You can view various project information by using the -a or -l command. 2. You can check out a specific bug by supplying a bug ID that's contained within the -a command. And 3. You can view the diff information for source files or test files for a given project. Now, the -a command will output a lot of information about every project in the given dataset. So let's zoom out this image so we can see the complete table. Every entry within this table, you will receive the bug ID, the hash, the bug's underlying build systems, whether the bug is Android or not, and the URL of the actual bug. All of this information is contained within a references.csv folder that's contained in, for this example, the database-kotlin folder. Extra information can be found within this references file, so please view this to find further information to help you with your research. Whereas the -a command outputs information for every bug within the dataset, the -l command outputs information for each unique project within the dataset. Specifically, for each unique project, you get the project name, how many bugs are associated to that project, and the actual URL of the project. Most projects are associated to exactly one bug, but some projects are associated to multiple bugs. Thrifty, for example, have 10 bugs associated to it. The second action you can do with this interface is to check out a specific bug. For this example, let's check out the bug cog1. To check out a bug, you specify the checkout flag, the bug ID, followed by the buggy branch or the fix branch. Execute the script and the bug will be extracted from the repository to the current directory. Once the project has actually been checked out, you can cd into its folder and see the actual state of the project during the bug or its respective patch. From this point, you can examine the internal structure of the project or perhaps even test it to learn more information about the given bug and how it was patched. In particular, the buggy branches of these comments have an extra file called the Defexts project info file, which contains extra information about the project, such as the comment URL, any modified source files, and any modified test files. Finally, you can view the diff of any modified source files or test files for a given project ID. This is an example of cog1's diff of its source files. And thus, this completes the introduction and example usage of Defexts. a curated database of reproducible real-world bugs for modern JVM languages. With Defexts, we hope to facilitate additional software engineering research in JVM languages such as Kotlin, Groovy, and Scala.